Instagram down? Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Welcome to World of Apps. So I know that many of you have problems with Instagram right now because I received a lot of messages from people who have this issue. And if I try to go to Google, to my favorite browser, and then if I search for Instagram down, and if you go to Twitter, you will see right there that people are already commenting. Also, if you go here to the first site, you will see that right now there are over 300 reports, and most reported problems are at the app login and website. And in conclusion, you are not the only one who has this problem, so you don't have to worry about it. They will fix this as soon as possible. And to fix this, you can try to restart your phone and update your app, and also to clear the cache and the data from your settings. So yeah, if you do have this issue, you can comment in the comment section down below on our YouTube video. You can like this video and subscribe to our channel for more updates about this topic. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.